welcome to another video. Today the video is all about Papa Charm belts, and they have one buckle on each side. And if you're looking at this clip and you're not sure how to do it, I'll show you. You put it like this and you clip it together and it adjusts so you can make it as small or as big as you want it to be. And all of them have these three popper spaces for three poppers, and some rose gold pattern of flowers on the back, and they all have the colour that it comes in. So this one has three blue roses to match the blue belt. This one has three silver flowers to match the belt. This one has three pink, and this one has three rose gold ones. I'll show you how to pop them on. So you look at that, you look at that, and then you can pop one on. And you can get another one. You can get whichever one you like and put that on. And then you can get the ruffle, and you can put it around the plushie, the plushie in the middle, or you don't have to put it in the middle. And then you can get one more, and you can pop it onto the end. And you can also clip your Heart Charm coin purse onto the side, which does not have the clip, which would be not this side because it has the clip, but this side because it does not have the clip. So you can put it on and then you can wear it like that. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, so subscribe. So bye!